Hello from Cooper Auto Sales on beautiful Whidbey Island. Today we are selling a 2020 Subaru WRX premium package. One owner, adult driven Subaru WRX Boxster Turbo. It has the factory short throw shifter, only 51,000 miles. Has the factory sunroof. Seats are in excellent condition. Second set of tires that are like brand new. It has the all-weather floor liners and in the trunk, and then it also comes with the factory carpeted mats, the factory chromed exhaust tips, excellent condition, super clean car. No blemishes on this car whatsoever. Very popular blue. Factory driving lights. There you have it. Our 2020 Subaru WRX Premium with a manual transmission. Thanks for watching.